How to solve cannot log into Duolingo error. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can fix if you are facing or cannot log into Duolingo error. So without further delay, let's get started. First and foremost, make sure that you are connected to a stable and strong Wi-Fi or mobile network. If you have poor network connection, then you may not be able to log into Duolingo. And if that's not your case, your application may be out of update. So if that case, then the application may not function properly, so you need to update the application. For that, open up Play Store in your device. Navigate to bottom right corner and then tap on search, and in the search bar search for Duolingo. If the application needs to be updated, you'll find update button, so tap on update. And once the update is complete, go back and try to log into your account again, and that may help you solve your problem. If that still does not help you, then restart your device. A simple restart of phone resolves any of the temporary system glitches that could block login attempts. So restart your device. And if that still does not help you, navigate to the Duolingo application in your mobile device and then tap and hold on the application. Tap on App Info. Tap on Storage and Cache, and here tap on Clear Cache. Once you do that, restart your application and try to log in again, and that may help you solve your problem. If that still does not help you, then you can use a web browser. You can try to log in via the www.duolingo.com on a web browser instead of the application. So open a browser, type in the duolingo.com. There you can log in into Duolingo and check if you can log in from there. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if you have login problem in Duolingo. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.